You check your phone after a motion alert, and all you see is a blurry blob running away from the edge of the frame. It is a classic frustration for anyone with a smart home. Most security cameras just do not cut it because they are limited by a single field of view. This new dual lens system changes that dynamic entirely. It works by using two distinct cameras inside one housing. One lens is fixed in place. It stays focused on the broad area like your entire driveway or the backyard. It acts as the anchor. The second lens is where the magic happens. It is motorized and capable of moving independently. When the system detects a person or a vehicle, that second lens springs into action. It locks onto the target. It follows them as they move across the yard. This gives you something traditional cameras often lack, which is context combined with detail. Usually, if you zoom in on a standard camera, you lose the rest of the scene. If someone else walks in from the side, you miss it. With this dual setup, you see the close-up of the visitor while the fixed lens keeps an eye on everything else. It is a smart way to handle monitoring. The setup process is handled through a mobile app that is fairly intuitive. You connect it to your home network and configure your activity zones. You do need a strong wireless signal though. Because both lenses are streaming high-definition video at the same time, it puts a decent load on your router. Make sure you are using a reliable frequency to keep the connection stable. One of the most impressive aspects is the artificial intelligence built into the hardware. It identifies humans and cars without needing a monthly subscription. In a world where every piece of tech seems to require a recurring fee, this is a breath of fresh air. You get the smart alerts for free. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind before you mount this on your wall. The motor that spins the camera is not silent. In a very quiet neighborhood at night, you might hear a faint mechanical whir as it tracks a cat or a delivery driver. Also, the tracking speed has its limits. If someone is sprinting or riding a bike quickly past the house, the lens might have a hard time staying glued to them. It is built for walking speeds and general movement. But for the average homeowner, these are minor trade-offs. You are getting footage that actually explains what happened. You are not just looking at a grainy recording of a shadow. You are seeing exactly who arrived and where they went. It makes your security feel much more active. It is not just sitting there. It is watching. It is following. It is analyzing. For people who want more than just a basic notification, this dual lens approach is a serious upgrade. It provides a level of clarity that most single lens units simply cannot match. It is practical tech that solves a real problem without complicating your life with extra fees. It feels like the hardware is finally catching up to our expectations for home safety. You get a complete narrative of every event. No more guessing. No more blurry mysteries. Just clear and actionable video. It is a solid choice for anyone serious about their home setup who wants to avoid the trap of constant monthly payments. This is how smart home technology should actually function in the real world.